Welcome back to Dune Sport Custom Toy Haulers. Today we want to show you this 24-foot FBX model, which is one of our front walk-around bedrooms. You've got a queen bed up here with wardrobes on each side. You've got a fantastic fan in the ceiling here, wardrobes to store your clothes. Underneath this bed is your massive power storage. So you got two 300 amp hour lithium batteries, 3000 watt, 9000 watt inverter, and 100 amp hour solar controller. In the hallway here, we have a 500 amp hour shunt that's going to show you the actual juice your battery's providing. We've added this linen closet here. You got a bathroom vanity here with the undermount sink, some storage down here below. We'll show you the space in this linen closet. So you got your toiletries and towels you can store in there. We've got a neo-angle shower with an adjustable shower head outfitted in our black hardware. So you got your glass shower doors and a fantastic fan above, an overhead cabinet, and a nice elongated porcelain toilet here. Coming out this hallway, we're gonna go down on the side of the fridge here. We've got all your controls, your heated tanks, AC, furnace, tank monitor, all your switches for lights are here. We've got dimmers in the ceiling, a base cabinet we added with outlets. We've got a USB-C outlet added here. So you got more storage down below there and some counter space. Overhead cabinets all have end caps to the ceiling. A sofa here that can be turned into a bed as well as flip up against the wall. Coming up the ramp door here, we've got 10 foot of cargo from the ramp door to that fridge. So here's a shot from the rear end showing you all the overhead cabinets we have throughout. We've got plenty. We've got a 2-burner cooktop here with the glass top cover, microwave with your convection oven and air fryer. Lots of counter space in this trailer here. Undermount single basin sink. You can put the insert back in to have more counter space. 10 cubic foot 12 volt fridge. This cools really quick. Lots of storage inside. Full depth drawers throughout. So you got lots of storage there. Water purifier, 2-stage Camco, and a swing door for your pots and pans down there. So really nice outcome. This is our light gray Ozark Shadows cabinetry with black cabinet pulls and hardware, along with upgraded puck lights throughout. So at 24 feet, this trailer came in as a dry weight of 6,300 pounds. We've got pass-through storage underneath the bed here with lights on each end. We've got a fiberglass front cap here instead of the corrugated aluminum. We've got a turn sideways tongue jack, so it clears your tailgate. You can load another 4,000 pounds of payload into this trailer perfectly fine. In the front and rear, we have electric stabilizer jacks. This is to help stabilize the trailer so it doesn't rock when you're walking through it. We've got 100 gallons of fresh water, 100-gallon gray black combo, and upgraded 10-ply Goodyear Endurance tires. We've got 1,200 watts of solar on the roof. Plenty of juice and power to camp long-term off-grid. Contact us with any questions. Have a great day.